There are 12 questions. You have 10 seconds to answer each question. Don't forget to post your score in the comments section below. So, let's begin. Question 1. Soy milk can cause allergic reactions in children. The correct answer is some. Soy milk can cause allergic reactions in some children. Question 2. Do you have idea why I'm asking you all these questions? The correct answer is any. Do you have any idea why I'm asking you all these questions? Question 3. There aren't students in the class. The correct answer is any. There aren't any students in the class. Question 4. Could you please give me roses? The correct answer is some. Could you please give me some roses? Question 5. I must withdraw money from the bank. The correct answer is some. I must withdraw some money from the bank. Question 6. I have never heard of these books before. The correct answer is any. I have never heard of any of these books before. Question 7. They do not deserve gifts from the company. The correct answer is any. They do not deserve any gifts from the company. Question 8. I found a pen and paper in her desk. The correct answer is some. I found a pen and some paper in her desk. Question 9. Michael refused to give him information about Sarah. The correct answer is any. Michael refused to give him any information about Sarah. Question 10. May I have more chocolate chips? The correct answer is some. May I have some more chocolate chips? Question 11. They finished the project without difficulty. The correct answer is any. They finished the project without any difficulty. Question 12. Michelle is a lot like her mother in ways. The correct answer is some. Michelle is a lot like her mother in some ways. Thanks for watching.